Hello, today we will guide you through how to invite someone to a Zoom meeting. To get started, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and that the app is fully loaded before moving on. If Zoom takes a moment to open, that's completely normal. Once you're in, you'll be ready to access your meeting controls. Next, open the Zoom meeting you want to use. In this example, you'll open a sample Zoom meeting. The important thing here is that you need to be inside an active meeting before you can invite someone directly from Zoom. Once the meeting window appears, take a quick look around so you're familiar with the controls shown on the screen. Now look to the bottom of the meeting window and click Participants. This opens the participant panel where you can see who is currently in the meeting and access options for adding more people. If your toolbar is hidden, moving your mouse over the meeting window will usually make it appear again. After the participant panel opens, click Invite. This will bring up the invitation options for the current meeting. Zoom gives you a few different ways to send the invite, so you can choose the one that works best for you depending on how you want to contact the person. One option is to click Copy Invite Link. This copies the meeting link to your clipboard so you can paste it into a message, chat, or another communication tool. This is often the quickest method if you want to send the invitation manually. After copying the link, simply open the app or platform you want to use, paste the link, and send it to the person you want to invite. Another option is to click Email and then follow the on-screen procedure. Zoom will guide you through the process using your selected email service. This can be helpful if you prefer to send a more formal meeting invitation directly through email rather than pasting the link yourself. Just follow the prompts that appear and complete the send process from there. And that's it. Once the invitation has been sent, the other person can use the link or email invitation to join your Zoom meeting. If needed, you can repeat the same process at any time during the meeting to invite additional participants. Thanks for watching, and we hope this made inviting someone to a Zoom meeting simple and easy to understand.